And I have another potent class that is already available, but I'm offering this as a revamped version, and it is called BioShields. These are energetic barriers that we create around ourselves, our family, our pets, our homes, our cars, our phones, whatever you want to put it on, that act as an energetic barrier to block out unwanted attachments and connections. And this is how we empower ourselves to reclaim our energy. If we have to go into Costco, make sure we have a BioShield on so that we are not getting hooked into by their EMF frequencies that are trying to mass radiate us into having turbo cancer, which is literally what I experienced on Saturday when I went to Costco. I try not to go, but occasionally I go, and I felt it standing in the food line at Costco, trying to get a pizza for the boys. And I just instantly started to feel that my body was being radiated, and I had electrical shocks moving through my body. This same method is deployed in most places, such as airports, box stores, Costco, Walmart, our children's elementary schools. These frequencies are deployed to hook in and hijack into our bodies and create distortions. And if you have something that resonates at that frequency, then you are going to get impacted. It can hook into you. If you have a BioShield, you can block out those unwanted energies until you can release all the root causes so that they can't hook into you. And I have my BioShield set so that if there is something I need to be aware of to share with humanity, or, for whatever reason I need to be aware of it to work on it behind the veil, the frequency will come through in a non-harmful way into my body so that I can feel and tune into it. Because I'm not tuned in all the time. It would be exhausting for me to be, hearing from every single plant in existence and every rock and every person and all the messages. I couldn't do that. It would drain me out. So I strategically connect in intentionally when I want to. Otherwise, it's off. And so I felt that energy coming into my body at Costco, standing in the food line. And they specifically target areas where you have to stand for a while. So checkouts and food court where you're going to sit down, those are prime areas where you're going to be sitting for a while. And they deliberately create so that there's a line and you have to stand there, right? And then you get radiated for 5, 10, 20 minutes while you're standing there, sitting there. We can block this out. We can learn to reclaim ourselves over this for everyone in our family by learning how to create energetic bioshields. And I teach this higher wisdom to you for a minimal cost. The overall implication and ripple effect of knowing this skill is truly priceless. And so you can connect with the class right now, or if you want to wait till the live masterclass that is offered on May 18th, for those of you who have already taken my BioShield class, I will be putting out a discount code for you that covers the class portion of our energy exchange together so that you're not paying the full rate, because I recognize that you already took my other class, you already invested in it, and the balance of the exchange is going to be for a workbook, for my time, and for the quantum healing that I am going to be encoding into the masterclass to support you in releasing barriers to creating potent, effective bioshields that are going to block out unwanted energy from attaching. So this is coming up, and the code will be released in our newsletter. If you're not on the newsletter yet, go to rootsrestoredwellness.com, scroll to the bottom, enter in your email, and make sure that you don't put us in the spam folder. We send out a newsletter twice a month. Usually the 1st and the 15th is when it comes out, and they usually have some codes and the announcements of new offerings, some of my writings. They're beautiful newsletters, and I encourage you to connect with it if it resonates for you. So definitely connect in with this masterclass if you're feeling it, if you want to become empowered and come back to yourself. And we have a video, I think, about this brand new masterclass. So I'm going to play that now, and then we'll come back and talk about EMF and how we can unweave from the web of that, because that's what was deployed against me at Costco. It's being deployed against you. Are we a victim and we can't do anything about it? Or we say, no, I'm reclaiming my energy field and none of this can ever connect in again. And I do not consent. And I know how to build a bioshield to block this out. And I'm teaching my children to do it. And I'm protecting my home, my devices, my vehicles, everything that is in my care, I am protecting it.
Every day, we are surrounded by an invisible web of energy that can impact our physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. From the overwhelming influence of low vibration energy to the effects of toxins, pathogens, EMFs, energy vampires, and even unseen entities, these forces constantly affect our personal space and health. If you've ever felt drained for no apparent reason, mentally foggy, or emotionally overwhelmed, it's possible that you're absorbing energies that don't belong to you. These energetic intrusions can leave you feeling exhausted, out of balance, and disconnected from your own sense of self. In a world where our sovereignty and boundaries are constantly under attack, how do you protect yourself? The solution lies in the art of building protective bioshields. This life-changing skill allows you to create strong energetic boundaries that guard you against external forces and preserve your personal power. You'll learn the essential techniques for building and maintaining these bioshields. Energetic barriers that filter out unwanted energy, protect you from harmful influences, and help you stay grounded in your own space. This skill isn't just about creating an energetic defense. It's about ensuring that you are mentally clear, emotionally stable, physically vibrant, and spiritually aligned. Through this course, you will gain the tools to protect yourself from the constant drain of external influences. You'll learn how to identify when you're being affected by negative energy and how to clear your energy field. As you go through the lessons, you'll be guided in creating personalized shields and force fields that reflect your unique needs, allowing you to maintain your boundaries no matter where you are or who you interact with. With these skills, you'll begin to feel the difference immediately, no longer overwhelmed by the energies of others or the world around you. As the world becomes increasingly chaotic, learning how to shield your energy is not just a luxury, it's a necessity. You no longer have to suffer from the invisible forces draining you. You no longer have to feel mentally foggy, emotionally spent, or physically unwell from absorbing energies that aren't yours. The time to act is now, and this course will empower you to take back control of your energy and well-being. If you've been seeking protection, clarity, and peace of mind, this is your chance to master the art of shielding. Learn how to keep your personal space clear, protected, and vibrant, so you can thrive in every aspect of your life. Don't wait until you're too drained to take action. Enroll today and start building the protective bioshields that will keep you safe and strong in an energy-filled world. Your energy is sacred, and it's time you learn how to protect it.
I am so excited to offer this incredible class, and it is available right now for booking on the website. Let's go check that out. I'll show you where to book it. And if you have already taken the bioshielding class that I've offered before, make sure you subscribe to the newsletter where we will release a code for you to redeem for a reduced energy exchange because you've already connected to my muscle testing class, my other one that is not live and it is not activated with quantum healing. So that will be in the newsletter for you. So please don't send tons of emails saying, where's the code? Where's the code? It's going to be in the newsletter. So make sure you connect to the newsletter. And let's go into the website real quick and I will show you for those of you who don't know where to go. There we go. All right, so richrestoredwellness.com. If you're not sure where to start with quantum healing, you can always request a free assessment available right at the top. Then we have these drop-down sessions. Here is the Q&A about energy exchange. For those of you that aren't sure about that, I mentioned it earlier. And then for these classes, we're going to click on classes. And it's a completely new platform besides my website. And it's called Inner Expansion through Podia. So you may need to enter a different password and code for my website versus this. And then you can scroll down and here is the Building Protective Bioshields Masterclass Live. And that is ready for you to book. If you have already taken the other one, wait until you get the newsletter with the code for you to redeem for a discount on the price. And if you don't want to wait until then, you can connect with our other BioShields course and you can still use the discount code and still take the master class if you don't want to wait till May. So there are different classes here to support you in your own inner expansion to help you build a solid foundation for yourself, and regardless of whatever you do, whether you run a tech company, whether you're a waitress, whether you are a stay-at-home mother, whatever you do, this is a solid foundation for you and your family and for you to teach your children. And it's all about empowerment and restoration at the core. So I'm so excited to start offering more and more of these live masterclasses throughout this year. And we're going to have some fun topics that are going to be relevant to everyone in creating a solid foundation. And it's going to allow you to move into your own unique flavor, your own unique skill and gift, whatever that is, versus putting you into my box, because teaching you to do what I do would be a betrayal of yourself, because that's not your true essence and your true passion and your true, alignment in the higher realms is not exactly what I'm doing. It's your own unique flavor. And no one is ever going to replace the most authentic version of you. You're priceless and irreplaceable. So how do we activate that with a solid foundation so that you can blossom into your own unique flavor? That's what I'm here for. I'm not here to put you in my boxes.